Once upon a time, there lived a generous, kind-hearted king. He was fond of birds and animals and had a huge bird sanctuary in his reign. He disliked harming the animals and birds and did not even kill them for the sake of eating meat. Owing to his generosity and kindness towards birds, he was gifted two beautiful falcons by his fellow businessman. Those two falcons belonged to a different place and lived in a different climatic condition. The king thanked the businessman and ordered the head of the bird trainer to provide all the facilities to those beautiful falcons and make them feel comfortable in their country. The head trainer took the birds and provided all the essentials to help the birds adapt to the atmosphere. Gradually, the birds adapted to the country's atmosphere. Flying Falcon Bird one day, the king wanted to see the falcons fly as he heard that one of those falcons fly to great heights at a very high speed. The king was quite surprised and rewarded the bird trainer with a handful of gold coins. He inquired about the other falcon. The bird trainer started with regret that the other falcon did not move even a step from day one and just sat on the branch. The trainer also added that he tried everything best he could do and still he failed to make this bird move. The king consoled him and told the trainer that he would bring someone more experienced than him or an old man who knew about falcons. Falcon bird in a branch. The king announced his requirement to make the falcon move and fly. Hearing this announcement, an old man reached the king's palace and assured him that he would make the bird fly like the other one. The king asked the head trainer to take the old man to the sanctuary to train the falcon, and he told that he would visit them the next day to see if there was any change. The next day, the king was very surprised to see the other falcon fly like the first one to great heights at rapid speed. The king was too happy and rewarded him with a handful. The king asked what he had done to make the bird fly in a day. The old man simply replied, "I just cut down the branch of the tree where the falcon used to sit." Many of us are like this. We have wings to fly. We know how to fly and where to fly, still we sit doing nothing or doing something that makes us inferior to others. Don't try to walk when you have wings to fly.